So let me ask you, there are days you're drinking your coffee and you're always thinking like, what goes so well with this coffee? I'm missing something. So there is no better way to serve your coffee without any coffee cake. So today we are going to make this apple crisp coffee cake. The pecan topping goes so well with the whole cake. It's moist, you can really taste the creaminess, and the apple just stands out with this whole coffee cake. So let me show you how to make it. Use medium-sized apples, peel them, and cut them in half and then core them. Use a melon baller because it makes a really nice cut in the middle of the apples. Now slice them and then cut them into bite-sized pieces. Now in the bowl, you're going to add the cut apples and then add the lemon zest. This prevents the apple from browning, and then you're going to set them aside. In another bowl, you have your cake flour, baking powder, and your salt. Mix and set them aside. And then in a measuring cup, you have your heavy cream, sour cream, and set them aside. And then combine the pecans, the brown sugar, and cinnamon, and a little bit of flour, and set them aside also. Now in a mixing bowl, you're going to add the butter and the sugar, and you're going to mix them until they're creamy, and then you're going to add the eggs one at a time and keep mixing until they're fluffy and also light in color. Now try to scrape the sides of the bowl. Now you're going to add the flour and the wet ingredients alternately, so a little bit at a time, and then you keep mixing. And then once the flour and the wet ingredients are all incorporated, now you're going to continue mixing and make sure again that you scrape the sides of the bowl to have all the ingredients all incorporated. Add your vanilla and then mix, and then now you're going to fold in the apple sauce, and then you're going to add half of the apples and then fold it into the batter, and then half of the batter goes into the prepared pan first, and then make sure that you spread them evenly into the pan, and then add the rest of the apples, sprinkle a little bit of flour, add them on top, and then add the rest of the batter, and then again spread them evenly. And then the pecans and the brown sugar mixture, you're going to sprinkle them on top, spread them evenly, and then bake them 350 for about 30-40 minutes. And also you can drizzle a little bit of melted butter after they're baked. So it's very simple, and I'm pretty sure your family and friends are going to enjoy their coffee cake. So make it and let me know what you think. Post the comments, take a picture, and I'd like to see what you made. And like I always says, if you have any family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. And also if you're looking for more recipes, just head on to my website, and that's leanbellaskitchen.com. Until next time, have a wonderful day. I'll see you again. Bye!